Hi all, so I've been asked to show how I did the crochet edging on this style of flower on one of my previous videos. So I'm just going to do a quick run through on how we do this. If you want to see how to do this square and the two circle ones, do check one of my previous videos, which I will link, which shows you how to make this actual flower. But I'm just going to show you how I do the outside edging on this. So we're just crocheting it. So I've used a DK weight yarn, so I'm using a 4mm hook. And we're just going to do single crochets, which is UK double crochets. So what you do is find the longest one, which is your corner piece, because we've made them on this. Put that back in properly with it. So you want to find the one that starts there, and then we're going to work along each of them, and the corner pieces are going to have 4 stitches in, and each of these is only going to have 2, have 1 side. So what we're going to do, you can see we find that corner piece. I'm just going to go in and we're going to slip stitch into that, so that we're now in, and chain 1, and then we are going to do single crochet, that's UK double crochet. Then we're going to chain 1 and do 2 more single crochets, and that's creating our nice little corner. So then you want to find the next one on your list. Make sure, if you're a little confused, just check behind, you'll see that they overlap, so you can find it there. So that's our next one. So we're just going to go in there and do another single crochet. Find the next one. You have to give them a little pull, but they will line up. Go in there, give a single crochet. We're just going to work our way along, put a single crochet in each of these. Until we get to the next corner, which is there. So you want to check which side this one belongs to, which is this side. So we got that one to go. Ooh. And there's our corner again, so we're going to finish that. Single crochet off there. Gonna single crochet twice into here, do a chain 1 and single crochet, which remember is UK double crochet. I'm going to do 2 of them into your corner, and then find your next one, which is this one here. They're overlapping slightly, as you can see. You just want to give it a little pull and you can get them in the right direction. You also want to make sure none of them are led down the back. Sometimes as you're holding they can bend down and then you'll miss one, so try to make sure none of them are led down the back. And make sure they don't get twisted. These corner ones, the ones just before the corner, they do like to try to twist on you, so just really make sure you're pulling them through. So this is our corner again, so we're going to do 2 into there, then a single crochet and do another 2 into there. And carry around. Again, make sure they're not getting twisted around. The hardest part of this is just making sure they're not getting twisted around, because they do like to wander around and twist into each other. So you just gotta give them a little pull around and check that you've got them in the right place. That's our corner again. Remember, 2 single crochets or UK double crochets, a single crochet or a chain 1, sorry, and then 2 single crochets, and then back 2. So it doesn't take long to get around. Just make sure that they're all let out properly. Almost back to the beginning. That's the last one for the corner. As we're back, I'm just going to go to that first stitch we did, that slip stitch, and we're going to slip stitch into it. And then you just want to kind of give it a little pull to even it out. Might twist a little on you there, but you can thing. I like to slip stitch into the first single crochet as well. You don't have to, but I like to. And then go into that chain you did. Because I just think finishing on the corner is a little neater instead of finishing here. If we slip stitch across to that chain and finish in there, I think it just gives a neater edge. Move that to that side so you can see. Now you might have to do a little bit of play to even them out, because as you crochet around, these will slide about because they are just secured with that. So just give them a little play to even them back out. But there we go. That's how we crochet around your Hanayama loom flower. I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong. I'm not very good at pronouncing things, but sure. But this is really simple to do. And then you can do multiple of these and you can just sew them together into any project you really want. Bags, scarves, hats, garments. You can make cardigans and things out of these. You can make anything you like. It just depends how many squares you want to make. So I hope that's helpful. I will get this uploaded, and if there's any questions, just pop it down into the comments, and if there's anything else you want to see, let me know and I will try to get a video done for you. So thanks for watching. Bye.